example, one-arm handstand, I did that mistake. I trained one-arm handstand.
You can train often, train really hard, because you're not strong enough to stress your body a lot. Whereas as you get stronger, you're doing harder skills, lifting heavier weights with weighted calisthenics. It's a lot more fatigue, so a lot more friendly pronated grip, and it didn't give me any issues. Same thing can happen time and time again. Like you look at, say, like a dip, if it's causing you.
Like every muscle that you gain should have like a purpose, and therefore the training has to be pretty damn specific.
What would you say for people that get overwhelmed with the amount of exercise options there are? Is it and some groundbreaking magical secret that only one person is promoting? I don't know. I don't know if we've not figured it out yet, what the best exercises are.
There was one trend actually where they had
Just doing that was quite scary, coming from someone that was like a late teen at the time. But I can definitely feel what you said. It's that exposure therapy of once you've just sees that and it just looks impossible, but they want to know how to get started with freestyle. What would be your best recommendation?
My recommendation is there's some skills on YouTube that you can like do some. Of course, that slowed down my progress in statics a bit, but it increased my performance in competition because the freestyle part was just way more comfortable.
I like that approach because you're building the hard.
Height is 184 centimeters and the weight is 86 kg.
Ooh, we're very similar. I'm 183, 85 kilos, so it's
To reps and like time in the position. So for example in planche, when I do planche push-ups, I always choose a resistance band that allows me to do like 6-7 repetitions. And when I do planche holds, I choose a resistance band that allows me to do like 8 to 10 seconds hold. And the same goes in front lever and everything really. And after a while you get to the point where the resistance band like allows you to do way too many repetitions. I would then take away the resistance band and just I need more time to actually get some benefits from it.
and it's also you're trying to do this specific exercise in a specific posture with a certain joint angle. Using bands allows you to do that in the full position, so there is definitely some like transfer over more so with that setup.
Yeah, definitely. And you can also like choose where you want to position the band in order to target like different muscles a bit more. So like when I started calisthenics, I did the mistake that I always put the band on the feet, and that took away the resistance band like pretty much where the belly is. And at that point, it just connected the hips way more, and I got a way better form.
And I also recommend people making note of the band setup. So exactly what you said, in your training program, you write down that you're using a certain color band, what height is it anchored on, so you can remember how much tension the band is also giving, and then just note where it is on your body. Those three things.